You've been waiting for the perfect moment, waiting for confidence to magically arrive, waiting for someone to tell you, now you're ready. Listen to me. That moment is a lie. God never called men by their comfort. He called them in the middle of fear, in the middle of doubt, in the middle of tears they didn't understand. You think your waiting season was punishment. It wasn't. It was training. Every tear taught you endurance. Every closed door taught you restraint. Every delay sharpened your hunger. Stop asking permission from people who are scared to move themselves. Stop shrinking your fire to make others comfortable. Stop negotiating with fear like it has authority. You don't move when everything makes sense. You move when God says go. Faith is not clarity. Faith is obedience without applause. The oil comes from pressure. The anointing comes from crushing. And the door opens when you finally decide you're done waiting. This is your command. Stand up. Move forward. Take the step, even if your voice shakes. Because warriors don't wait. Kings don't hesitate. And destiny doesn't knock twice. The loudest battle you fight is not outside you. It's inside your head. That voice says, you're not enough. You'll fail again. Who do you think you are? That voice is not wisdom. It's fear wearing your own voice. You've rehearsed failure more than success. You've imagined defeat more than victory. And every time you listen, you hand your power away. Your mind is a battlefield. Every thought is a soldier. And right now, you're letting the wrong army win. Discipline your thinking like a warrior trains his body. Cut off thoughts that weaken you. Challenge every lie. Replace it with truth. God didn't give you a spirit of fear, so stop letting fear speak for you. Confidence is not loud. Confidence is calm. It's the quiet certainty that says, I will figure this out. You don't wait to believe until you feel strong. You believe until strength follows. Command your mind. Take authority over your thoughts. Speak life even when your emotions resist. Because when your mind aligns, your steps follow. And the doors you thought were sealed begin to unlock. Motivation comes and goes. It disappears when life gets heavy, when progress is slow, when nobody notices your effort. Discipline doesn't care how you feel. It shows up anyway. Your tears turned into oil the moment you stayed consistent. When you worked tired. When you moved broken. When you showed up unseen. That's where strength is born. Stop chasing hype. Stop waiting to feel inspired. Stop depending on emotion to carry your future. Feelings lie. Discipline tells the truth. The man who wins is not the most talented. It's the most committed. Daily action beats occasional intensity. Structure beats motivation. Habits beat hope. Every day you choose discipline, you separate yourself from the crowd. Doors don't open for talkers. They open for builders, for finishers, for men who do the work in silence. So show up today, and tomorrow, and the next day. Because when God sees consistency, He releases acceleration. You tried to escape it, ignore it, numb it. But pain doesn't disappear when avoided. It grows. Storms don't destroy lions. They reveal them. The pressure you hated is the pressure that produced oil. Fire doesn't destroy gold. It exposes purity. Your pain was not pointless. It sharpened your instincts, deepened your empathy, strengthened your spirit. Every tear watered the ground your future will grow from. Stop asking, why me? Start asking, what is this building in me? Pain is a teacher. If you listen, stand in it, breathe through it, use it. Because God doesn't waste suffering. He transforms it. And when you stop running from the storm, you realize you were built to survive it. Some people are anchors. Some habits are chains. Some comforts are cages. And you call them familiar. Elevation requires separation. Growth demands sacrifice. You cannot carry old versions of yourself into new levels. Let go of what drains you. Release what distracts you. Walk away from what keeps you small. Yes, it will hurt. But stagnation hurts more. God removes people not to punish you, but to protect your purpose. Light travels faster when it's not weighed down. Choose progress over approval, purpose over popularity, because the door ahead is narrow, and only the focused fit through. No more blaming the past. No more blaming people. No more waiting to be rescued. A king owns his throne even when it's broken. Responsibility is power. Victimhood is surrender. You don't control what happened, but you control what happens next. Your tears taught you awareness. Now let them teach you leadership. Decide again. Act again. Stand again. Stop outsourcing your future when you own your choices. Doors respond, because responsibility attracts respect, and respect opens rooms. Oil doesn't shout, it flows. Your tears anointed your steps. Now walk with authority. Speak like it's possible. Move like it's inevitable. Stand like it's finished. Faith is movement before evidence. No enemy can shut what God has already unlocked. This is your rise. This is your moment. This is your calling. Walk forward.